Don't miss this fantastic opportunity to live in one of Medford's most desirable neighborhoods in a totally renovated, gorgeous colonial home just 2 blocks from the Commuter Rail to Boston. Welcome to 37 Playstead Road. Bask in tons of off-street parking, including an amazing 5-car garage. This gives the new owner the option to rent out spaces for extra money, being so close to the train station. Also enjoy the large, flat, fenced-in yard, perfect for young children and pets. This 3-bedroom, 1.5-bath home underwent a major renovation in 2014, including a new chef's kitchen with a skylight, a peninsula, maple cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and white oak hardwood floors. This beautiful home is conveniently located on a corner lot, and it's a pleasant walk to trails, parks, restaurants, shopping, and red-hot West Medford Square. Other improvements include all new central air conditioning and heating, a hot water tank, half bath on the first level, vinyl siding, roofing on the home and the garage, vinyl fencing, a large composite deck, and a new front porch as well. This is a commuter's dream located just steps from the Commuter Rail, which is just a 15-minute ride to Boston. You're also close to a bus stop for express bus trips to Boston, Wellington, and Sullivan stations, as well as Davis Square. Being less than 5 miles to Cambridge and less than 8 miles to Boston, this home allows you to have the suburban neighborhood setting without sacrificing the walkability and the commuting ease of living in the city. Simply move in, relax, and enjoy the best of both worlds in this wonderful West Medford home.